Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the basics right. Sign into the exact YouTube profile you use. Once signed in, clear or pause your watch history. This immediately stops recent watches from shaping recommendations. Next, disable or limit YouTube and Google activity tracking in account settings so new views don't retrain recommendations. Do this now. It prevents immediate spoilers from surfacing. Finally, check your subscriptions briefly and unfollow any channels that tend to post spoilers, because subscriptions still influence the feed. Now you move into active filtering. Install a reliable browser extension that blocks keywords and channels on YouTube. Once installed, populate it with specific keywords. Show titles, character names, episode numbers, and typical spoiler phrases so videos with those terms are hidden. Make sure to add channels that repeatedly spoil content to the block list and remove them from subscriptions. Doing so reduces algorithmic suggestions. If content violates rules, report it. These steps change what YouTube surfaces to you in the midterm. Finish by adopting safe browsing habits. Use incognito or a separate profile for spoiler-heavy searches, and only watch content that won't train spoilers into your main account. If spoilers still appear, reset the algorithm by deliberately watching non-spoiler topics for 1 to 2 weeks so recommendations pivot. If filters stop working, troubleshoot. Ensure extensions are enabled, clear cookies, and disable conflicting add-ons, then reinstall if necessary. These final steps lock in the changes and give you a reliable, spoiler-free viewing experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.